Hi guys, so today my new painting arrived, my bird painting. I've just started it, and I'll show you what I've done and that. So yeah, it came, well this afternoon actually it came, so yeah. And I've just started it, but I will give you regular updates as I go along, like I have done with my other paintings and that. So yeah. It's a bird painting, and they're sitting on like a branch. But I will show you the little picture as well, so you can see what it looks like once it's all finished and that. So yeah, and once I've finished it, I should get a frame for that as well. So yeah. So now I'll show you the start of my painting that I have done for you guys. So, this is the start of my bird painting, and as you can see, I have started it. So, yeah, that's just the beginning of it. So, but once it's all finished, it should look like this. I'll show you guys. That is what it should look like once it's all finished. Alright. So that's the finished painting. So it should look like that once it's all finished. Hopefully it should. So yeah. It's only a small painting, but once it's all finished, I'll get a frame for it. That is how it should look like once it's all finished. So yeah. I got it on Amazon. I ordered it on Sunday and it came today, so yeah. I would order my number paintings on Amazon anyway, so and I've done loads as well. So yeah. Once again, I show you the little picture. What it will look like once it's all finished. There we go. So, yeah. I do hope you enjoy this painting. And I hope you enjoy my other paintings as well. Let's see them, go and check them out. And guys, if you've not seen my other paintings that I've finished, go and check that out as well. So, as I was just saying, if you have not seen my finished Titanic painting, go and have a look at that, because I've just finished that painting, and that's why I started on this new painting today. So yeah, if you like my videos, give me a big thumbs up, please. I've got lots more paint by number videos here on my channel, and if you've not seen them all, go and have a look go and check them out. Like I said the other night, I have done quite a few. So I have done a sea turtle, a pug, a fox, an elephant, a lion, a tiger, London Bridge, 2 other Titanic paintings, at 3 now, 3 Titanic paintings that I have done. I've also done a London painting as well. So yeah, an owl painting and a butterfly painting. So guys, if you've not seen any of my paint by number paintings, go and have a look at them and check them out. Now, I do love doing lead paintings because it gives me something to do and keeps my mind off of things, you know. So yeah, and I do enjoy doing them. So yeah, so guys, give me a big thumbs up, right? If you like my videos, comment down below on my videos as well. If you like any of my videos, comment down below on them. And yeah, I shall leave you now with this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. And guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all very soon in the next video. Bye for now, guys.